I'm just giving you, man, life hacks. I'm just giving you tips right now, man. Don't pull it. Just go right to the next step. Yeah. A burning cargo ship full of Porsches and VWs and actually some Lamborghinis as well, because a lot of people don't know Lamborghinis VW too, is adrift in the mid-Atlantic. A burning cargo ship. What a scene, man. Full of luxury cars. This is an image posted on the Portuguese Navy's website. The Felicity Ace is shown burning on Thursday in the Atlantic Ocean, about 90 nautical miles southwest of the island in the Azores. Wow. Island of Faial.
What happened?
A ship carrying cars from Germany to the United States caught fire in the Atlantic Ocean on Wednesday, forcing the crew's 22 members to abandon the vessel and leave it burning and adrift. The nearly 650-foot long ship, Felicity Ace, is capable of carrying 4,000 cars loaded with Porsches and Volkswagens. Portuguese Navy rescued 22 members of the crew. It was scheduled to arrive in Rhode Island on Wednesday. The crew was taken by helicopter to safety. Volkswagen Group said in a statement it was transporting to the U.S. vehicles that the German automaker manufactured. Company declined to comment further on the effect the fire might have on customers in the U.S. Yeah, like your car that you ordered could definitely be on there if there's 4,000 cars. Mm-hmm. There's a lot of questions here. So the cars themselves, the boat, the vessel's worth a lot of money. Mm-hmm. And then if burning to nothing in the middle of the ocean.
Yeah.
And then whatever materials are in there, some of those might be electric. You might have some batteries in there. You might have some chemicals in there, Mo.
It's not going to be good for the ocean.
I don't think the fish are into it. I mean, there's a lot, you know.
But you know what's actually really shocking to me in this? Go scroll up to the picture, Will. Only 22 people running that giant boat.
Nice.
That's crazy.
And they all survived.
Oh, that's amazing. But like, how is that their job?
Well,
just 22 people?
Unlike a cruise ship, this thing is, when you have 4,000 cars packed in there, not a lot of room for much else.
Yeah.
They're all up in the cockpit there and maybe running some checks here and there.
That
22.
That looks huge for 22 people.
You think they should get paid more than a person who works at an Apple store?
Definitely. They should unionize these 22 people.
They probably are. I don't know. They might be. Whatever. Hopefully they can figure it out. I don't know. Imagine, is there a way to, like, you know, in the movies where they would offload a jet in the sky or something? Have you ever seen this?
No,
I don't remember what movie this was.
Okay.
But it would be some superhero type thing.
Yeah.
And they pull the other jet up behind it and they're like, yeah, get the goods, steal the artifacts.
Oh, okay, like a very a Fast and Furious
Mission Impossible or something along those lines.
Airplane heist.
I wonder if they can if it's too dangerous to get something close enough to it to try to actually offload some of the vehicles, but they're probably so smoked out and dead anyway, and it's probably too dangerous. So
yeah,
I think I don't know.
Might not be worth it.
Go down with the ship.
Yeah. Unfortunate.